Did you know Ready Whip is a skin lightener? I didn't either. Sunspots, brown spots, uneven skin color. If uneven skin tone is your skin concern, I'm going to tell you how to lighten your skin for real in under 10 minutes in this video. Well, hi, I'm Chris Gibson. I'm the guy that wrote the book on acne skincare, and today we're going to talk about skin lightening and Ready Whip. As I said in the introduction, the reason that Ready Whip actually can lighten skin is it's got lactic acid in it. Who knew? That is one of the things that does lighten skin, and we're going to talk all about that in this video today. Skin lightening is probably it's probably the biggest skincare topic of 2019 right now, because a lot of people want to do this for a lot of different reasons. Some people just want to even their skin tone. Some people have sun damage and sunspots. Some people are just trying to get an even complexion. They have hyperpigmentation. Whatever the reason for you're wanting to know about this, you are not alone. There are thousands, probably millions of people who have questions about this, and it shows up here on my channel. And again, thank you for watching. And I hope you find this information helpful for you today. And if you do, please, by all means, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little bell so that you get notifications when these videos are up. All right, skin lightening, let's get into it. Again, probably one of the biggest skincare topics of the year, and there is so much garbage out on the internet. When I was researching this for product use and for what people were trying to do to accomplish this, I saw a lot of, I won't say stupid, I saw a lot of crazy things out there. Some of them are dangerous and harmful. What I'm going to give you today is not dangerous or harmful. It is going to be helpful. I'm going to talk about some products that you can buy over the counter that we've been tested and they work. And I'm going to teach you how to make your own DIY, do-it-yourself skin lightening cream that you can keep in the refrigerator at home and use, and it will lighten your skin in under 10 minutes, and you don't have to pay anything for that. So let's talk about this. There are two main ingredients, or two product ingredients, that really work to lighten skin. One is kojic acid, which is in a lot of skincare products these days, over-the-counter products, and it does work. I've tried it. It does actually work. And you usually can get it in a buffered product over the counter. The other is lactic acid, which is naturally available. When it's combined with citrus, it makes an excellent skin lightening cream that you can use. So because of the nature of my show, and I'm going to give you how to do this today. And for staying with me through the video, I'm going to take all the tips that I talk about in this video, including the recipes for a couple of these skin lightening creams you can do at home, and give it to you in the form of a free guide. Just stay with me till the end of the video and I'll tell you how to get that. You don't even have to take notes in this video. You can just watch and enjoy, and then I'll give you the guide. So let me start by telling you what products you can go ahead and go out there and buy if do-it-yourself is not your forte. That's fine. I have a couple of products I'll recommend to you. One is the Obagi skin lightening cream, and the other is Meloderma. These are the two skin lightening creams that have the ingredients that I know work and have tested and used in the past, and they do make a difference on skin lightening, especially with my clients who have hyperpigmentation. You will find them readily available and they will work for you, although they can be a little pricey. So that said, that's the two products. Again, Obagi skin lightening cream and Meloderma, and I will include these links in the video description box for you today. So let's talk about this do-it-yourself skin lightening cream that works in under 10 minutes. You need a lemon, you'll need some yogurt, plain, organic, unsweetened yogurt. You need a cup of that. And then you're going to need 2 to 3 drops of rose water or a teaspoon of honey. And you're going to mix these ingredients together to form a cream. And this will keep in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks. If it starts to separate or get moldy, throw it out and start over. But it should keep for 1 to 2 weeks, and you'll apply this daily for at least 10 minutes. And now I'm going to give you a super tip. Yes, you can apply this for 10 minutes and it is going to make a difference. It works in 10 minutes. The lactic acid and citric acid will make a difference. However, if you use it overnight, it's unbelievable how quickly this will work. So all you do is massage it into your skin at night before you go to bed, and you wash it off in the morning. You do this for a week, take a before picture and an after picture, and I want to see comments about how well this worked for you. I'm going to include all of this in the guide that I just talked about, which is going to be the free skin lightening guide that I got for you on the website at chrisgibsonlive.com. Just use the link down in the video description box To grab that, all I ask is you just subscribe to our newsletter so we stay in touch, and the guide with all these notes, tips, tricks, and the recipes for this and a couple of extra bonus things will be there for you immediately. Now, you can use essential oils to help speed this process up too, and I have a whole video right over here for you to watch on that. I hope you found this information helpful. Go and get your free guide. Please subscribe, like, and share this if you did find it helpful. There's a lot of people that are interested in this but don't have the courage to watch videos this long with people to try to find out what to do. And I will see you in the next video.